What's going on YouTube? Uberman here, and what I have in my hand right here is the file on the Pathfinder. This one, you know, we made a profit. Spoiler alert, we did make a profit. I bought it for $15.35. That was total cost out the door. $117.69 went to tags, title, and tax, and all that stuff. Total investment was $1,803.64. Sold it for $2 grand, left us with a profit of $196.36. I'm not excited about it either. I'll tell you what though, I will take this $200 profit over the $2,000 plus loss on that pickup truck any day of the week on that black Silverado. Now, I don't mind losing money. It's not a big deal, but I mean, I can't just lose money all the time. You know, I can't just give everything away. So I got to make a profit. So I bid on that van today, bid it up to $800, and you know, I didn't win it, and that's fine because I said, you know what, I'm setting a cap. This is what I'm willing to spend, and if I can't get it, I can't get it. I will get something. I'll find something. But until then, I've got this amazing pickup truck to work on. We can always do the Copart walkarounds, which you guys seem to enjoy, and I definitely enjoy making them. So we're still gonna have a lot of fun together. There's a lot of work to do on the truck. I got a quote from a body guy today, as a matter of fact, while we're talking about it. He said $1,000 to do the body work to get it ready for paint. So, yeah, I don't know what this stuff costs. I've never paid for it before. So I feel like $1,000 is kind of a lot of money, but maybe it's not. I don't know. What do you guys think? $1,000, he said he could have the body work done in a day ready for paint. So aside from that, there's some work I got to do on the truck. We're going to change the spark plugs, the plug wires. We're going to put that chrome Edelbrock 14-inch intake, whatever, air cleaner on it. Maybe do a couple more things. I don't know. But we're at least going to get that done. That's going to be in another video that I may release today. Maybe I won't. But I wanted to let you guys know the Pathfinder, we made a profit. And I also wanted to let you know that I didn't win that van. I tried, I didn't get it. I won nothing, you know, I don't want to leave anybody hanging. We didn't win anything. But that doesn't mean we're not going to get something maybe later on in the week. Keep in mind, I'm also out house hunting too, so time is something I don't have a whole lot of. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thanks for sticking around. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like content. I know that's a blurry thumb. If you don't like my content, hey, give it a thumbs down, whatever. Comment below. As always, I do read them, even though a lot of time I don't get to answer all of them, but I do my best. I appreciate all of you for watching. Stay safe out there, folks. I'll catch you soon in the next one.